Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone apps won't update. Updating iPhone apps to their latest version is always a good idea. App developers put out new updates to fix bugs and introduce new features all the time. What you can do when your iPhone apps won't update. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is no room for updates or new apps. Your iPhone has a limited amount of storage space. Apps may take up a lot of that storage space. If your iPhone won't update apps, you may not have enough storage space to complete the update. The amount of room you have for apps on your iPhone depends on the kind of iPhone you purchased. You can check the amount of storage on your iPhone by going to Settings, scroll down and then go to General and then tap on iPhone Storage. You will see how much storage is used and how much is available. If you're curious about which apps are swallowing up your storage space, scroll down and you will see a list of which apps are taking up the most space on your iPhone. If you're almost out of space, you won't be able to update iPhone apps or download new ones. It's easy to remove apps you no longer use to make room for new ones. Simply press and hold the app you would like to uninstall until the menu appears and then tap on Remove App. Next, tap on Delete App. When the confirmation alert appears on the screen and you are done. Text or iMessage conversation, pictures and videos and other potential memory hogs. Delete lengthy text conversation and move media to your computer to save space on your iPhone. You can also find some storage recommendation in Settings and go to General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Here you can find some storage recommendation and you are done. If your iPhone app still won't update, if you have plenty of room on your iPhone or you made more space and the iPhone app still won't update, for this try installing and then reinstalling the app. Hold your finger down on the app icon and wait it to shake. And then click the minus in the upper left hand corner to uninstall the app. And then delete the app and then reinstall it again. And you are done. And then turn your iPhone off for at least 30 seconds, then turn it back on and then visit the App Store and search for the app you just deleted and download the app again. And the next step is, could your internet connection be to blame? Make sure airplane mode is turned off. Open the Settings app and make sure the switch next to airplane mode is positioned to the left and you are done. And the next step is check the internet connection. You can find out if your iPhone connects to a Wi-Fi network by going to Settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. The switch next to Wi-Fi option should be green and the name of the network you are on should appear right below it. And if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, tap the box next to the Wi-Fi option to turn on Wi-Fi and choose the network from the list of local Wi-Fi options. Try to update your iPhone apps again once Wi-Fi is turned on and you are done. The next step is reset the network settings. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is stop and restart the App Store. To close out the App Store, open the App Switcher, swipe up from the very bottom to the center of the screen, then swipe up the App Store up and off the screen. And you are done. And the next step is check your Apple ID. To do this, go to Settings. Then tap on your name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. When you log out, you will be taken back to the main page of the settings. Tap Sign In into your iPhone at the top of the screen to log back into your Apple ID and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of apps won't update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.